So today's mission is all about location scouting. I'm going to use the drift method. Freaking incredible. Round F16 for that to get that sunburst. I've got to do a commercial for a tourism board, and they sent me out here to the Catwalk, which is in the Gila National Forest in southern New Mexico. It's one of my favorite places ever. I come here a lot, but today it's official business. It's a mix because today's actually my son's 10th birthday, and this is his favorite place, so it worked out really well that he wanted to do his birthday out here. He's around here somewhere, and we're location scouting for our next commercial out here. So I'm really stoked to be able to show you guys this place and want to bring you along. So we got a long way to hike up this canyon, so let's get going. This is why it's called the Catwalk. The giant catwalk on a big old canyon. So I'm underneath it now, and I've been going up and down in here and getting some waterfall shots with the canyon and everything, and I'm scouting for the certain places that I'm gonna do the actual photo shoot. So I think I got the shots that I wanted. I'm gonna see if I can put the drone up. It's been a little bit breezy, but I'm gonna give it a try. All right, well, drone footage was a success, mostly. It's a little windy, a little harsh light, but I think we got it. Location scouting, also a success. I got everything written down and planned out for the commercial shoot, but I'm gonna end it here because it's a long hike back to the car and a long drive back to home, and I gotta get Tristan to school tomorrow. So, but we got what we came for. Stoked about that. Always stoked about coming to the Catwalk. So I hope you guys enjoyed checking the Catwalk out and coming along with me. And if you like this stuff and you want to see more, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I've got new videos every Tuesday and Friday. And if you want to know anything else about the Catwalk or anything else I did for the photos or the video, leave a comment below and I'll answer it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.